Hello guys, review tablet Pixus Arena 8GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look complementation. Of course we have tablet, Android free tin, Unisoc Tiger T606 LTE, 5500 mAh battery, 11-inch display, 2K display. Okay. In complementation we have on this adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Open box. Metal body. Camera and LED. We have on this side, turn on display. Max resolution. Open settings. About tablet, we have Android free tin. Okay. Open Geekbench 6. Look results. Single core score, multi-core score. GPU test results. Okay. Close. And look undo the benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.